In this tutorial, you'll learn how to turn on inventory sync for your channel listings. M2E will keep your prices, stock levels, and product details synchronized between your store and the channel. Go to the Listings tab and select your channel account. Use the filters on the right to find products that are already linked but not yet syncing. You can narrow your search further using groups. You can enable sync for individual items or for many items at once. Let's start with a single item. Click the toggle in the Inventory Sync column next to the item you want to sync. You'll now see your product policies. These are templates that control how your products are sold on the channel and how the settings synchronize between your store and the channel. You can use the default policies or create new ones. 2 policies are required. The first one is the selling policy, which sets your price and quantity rules. Here you can apply price modifications to adjust your prices by a percentage or fixed amount. You can also reserve stock or submit only a portion of your store inventory to the channel. The second one is the synchronization policy. Price and quantity sync by default, but you can also enable syncing for other product data. Once you're done with the settings, click Save. Sync is now active, and your listing details will start updating on the channel. You can track all updates in the Logs section of the product card. Now let's enable inventory sync in bulk. Select the listings you've filtered, then click Manage Sync and choose Enable Sync from the Actions menu. Review the product settings and save them. Sync will be enabled for every selected item at once. If you need to update listing settings later, select the items, then choose the Change Policy action to modify their policy settings in bulk. That's everything you need to keep your channel listings in sync. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.